Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This will be a quick video about a 2002 Toyota RAV4L. This baby has only second owner right now, and she has incredible 275,000 miles on the odometer. She has a little bit erratic idle, which is probably due to the dirty IAC valve which is attached to the throttle bar. It's a 4-cylinder engine, but the check engine light is not on, zero codes, smoggable, and we are going through the detailed inspection. What I want to show you in this video, it will be a short one. I want to show you typical strut, front strut oil leak. That means the shock is bad. So we prepare the lights on both sides. Here is the light on the driver's side, and if you look on that shaft, we lost here that rubber dust shield. That's a long time gone, but the shaft and the area where is that bronze ring, everything is super shiny. There was never oil leaking even here on the bottom. When you look at the strut part, it's absolutely dry. So this side, it's perfect. I'm not saying this one is bad. This strut, it's fine, despite the fact when the vehicle came, I had it on the ground. I grabbed the body here, and I was able to bounce it up and down, up and down, up and down. But it was like between. It was like, oh, it's not the worst, but it's not good. Here we will see together why it was bouncing a little bit more than it should be. So I hope this camera will be able to show it perfectly. Do you see that active leak right now? Do you see the oil floating down as it was just compressed? We just lifted the vehicle 2 minutes ago, and I immediately ran and grabbed the camera to show it to you. This is perfect, beautiful textbook example of the failed strut, or let's say the shock which is part of the strut. Now I pointed out to you everything was dry on the other side. Here it's soaked in the oil, it's floating down. Can I go close? Hopefully you can see it perfectly. That's a fresh oil floating now. Now see the color. It's not a bronzing color. It's dirty, it's full of oil and the dust from the road. Look below here. It's not that same color, the gray which was on the other side. That was already contaminated by the oil floating down. So this is totally clear fail. You can see the oil, fresh oil floating down with a mixture of dust and sand from the road. So this will be written in the report that this strut should be replaced. So I hope this gives you a hint. Back one more time, back to the good one, right? You see that color, the bronze, how it's supposed to look and not to be soaked in the oil. So hopefully that gives you idea how it should look like and how you can inspect your own vehicle and be your own master. So thank you for watching. If you like it, give it thumb up and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya!